So what we're going to do is we're going to multiply the 7 times 4, which happens to be 28. And so I'm looking for two numbers that add up to 29 that equal 28. Well, that's 28x and 1x. So I'm going to rewrite 29 as 28x and 1x. So I still have my 7x squared, and I still have my plus 4. Now I'm just going to group two at a time. So if I group those and I take my greatest common factor, I get that. If I group these, my greatest common factor is just a 1, so I get x plus 4. And the parentheses have the same number, so x plus 4. And then what's left over is the 7x plus 1. So I've just used the grouping method to be able to do that. Now to do this problem, we always want to check our greatest common factor first, which greatest common factor in this case happens to be 3. So if I take the 3 out, I get this. And then you have to check inside the parentheses, see if it can be factored. Well, it can be factored as x plus 3 and x plus 2. And I still have my greatest common factor, so all three of these are the factors for this particular problem.
So now we're going to do a problem that probably will end up prime. That means there are no numbers that work. So I have a 4 and a 5. So if I multiply them, I get 20. And I'm looking for numbers to give me a negative 3. Well, all the numbers, we have 20 and 1. We have 2 and 10. We have 4 and 5. If you add all of those, none of them give us a negative 3. And since none of them give us a negative 3, this is prime. And so when you do all the factors, and these are all the factors, and it doesn't work, that's when it's prime.